China has officially entered the serial production phase of its next-generation carrier-based stealth fighter, the J-35, a twin-engine aircraft tailored specifically for operations on the Type 003 aircraft carrier, Fujian. This milestone reflects Beijing's larger effort to transform its navy into a true deep-water force capable of projecting military power across the Indo-Pacific and beyond. The J-35, which originates from the FC-31 airframe, is now poised to become the backbone of China's modern carrier aviation. Designed for CATOBAR, catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, operations, the fighter is optimized for use with the Fujian's electromagnetic launch system, technology that, until now, had only been operational aboard U.S. carriers. This system allows for faster, more varied aircraft launches and reflects a sea change in Chinese naval capabilities. Unlike the older J-15s, which rely on ski-jump-style launch methods from China's earlier carriers, Liaoning and Shandong, the J-35 is purpose-built for full-deck catapult operations. It features strengthened landing gear, folding wings for tighter hangar storage, and a tailhook for carrier landings. Its radar-evading design, along with integrated electronic warfare systems and a modern cockpit interface, places it within the fifth-generation class of fighters. Progress in China's aviation sector has been rapid. The J-35 started with the WS-13E engines but has since transitioned to the newer WS-19 powerplants. These engines are expected to offer higher thrust output, increasing combat payloads and operational flexibility. The fighter includes an internal weapons bay to preserve its stealth profile, allowing it to carry long-range PL-15 missiles, short-range PL-10s, and guided bombs. Advanced onboard sensors, such as AESA radar and a chin-mounted electro-optical targeting system, support multi-role mission profiles. Compared to its American counterpart, the F-35C, the J-35 brings both strengths and trade-offs. Its dual-engine configuration provides redundancy and potentially greater thrust, especially useful for long-range missions or emergencies at sea. However, the U.S. system currently enjoys a considerable lead in terms of real-world combat experience, network-centric capabilities, and seamless interconnectivity across allied forces. The maturity of U.S. logistics, software integration, and stealth coatings also gives the F-35C a distinct operational edge, for now. Satellite imagery and test footage confirm that the J-35 has undergone extensive flight testing since at least 2021. Recent photos show prototypes in naval livery with shipborne modifications, including folding wings and strengthened undercarriages. Sources close to Chinese defense projects estimate an annual production rate of roughly 50 aircraft, potentially filling Fujian's deck and future carriers within a few years. The Fujian itself is a technological leap. As the first Chinese carrier to use an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, it enables the rapid launch of heavier aircraft like the J-35. Weighing around 80,000 tons and featuring a full-length flight deck, the Fujian is expected to support around 60 aircraft, including airborne early warning platforms like the KJ-600 and various helicopters. Sea trials began in mid-2024 and are reportedly progressing swiftly, with full operational status possible by late 2025. What's notable is how Fujian integrates indigenous systems, from radar and communications to air traffic control and electronic warfare. While it lacks nuclear propulsion, which still gives U.S. carriers an endurance advantage, China's leap in carrier technology cannot be dismissed. Strategically, this combination of a fifth-generation stealth fighter and a modern catapult carrier represents a dramatic expansion of China's reach. It becomes only the second nation in the world to field a CATOBAR-capable stealth aircraft at sea. This elevates its capacity for strike missions, air dominance, and surveillance far from home shores. For regional players, this shift is unsettling. The prospect of Chinese stealth fighters operating deep into the Pacific has spurred defense investments in countries like India, Japan, and Australia. The U.S., meanwhile, continues to reinforce its alliances through regular naval drills and persistent carrier presence to deter any erosion of maritime freedom. As the J-35 approaches deployment readiness and Fujian nears commissioning, China's ambitions at sea are becoming reality. This evolution reflects not just a technological maturation, but a deeper strategic transformation aimed at reshaping the military balance across Asia's vital waterways. Observers will be closely watching how China continues to integrate these assets, both technically and doctrinally, in the coming years.